Subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon. We found some.
Hey, help me.
We found something legal.
Let's go. Okay, let's go to the slide.
Oh, we can't up the slide.
Yes, I will help you. Let's go. Yes, yes, you can do it. Bismillah. Three, two, one. Uh-oh, this me. Yeah! It's going up and down. It's a seesaw. What is this?
Seesaw.
Yeah! What is this? You like that? Horsey cake. Fatik, what does a horse says?
I get down.
What is the sound of a horse?
Nay.
Neigh. It's too high. Okay, let's have some food. Fatik is so tired. Fatik ने अपनी packing खुद की हुई है. Fatik likes the healthy food.
Okay, let's take a knife.
Okay.
लगाएगा किस पे?
Okay, let's open
अच्छा बिस्किट्स पे.
Wow.
Let's open up the cookies. May I help you? Uh-oh, be careful. You want to paste it? Spread it around. Be careful. Take a little. Ooh, wow. So tasty. Okay, okay. Now close the sandwich.
Oh, we did it.
Yes, you did it. Okay. I think it's enough.
I think it's enough.
Perfect. You like it?
Puppo is also eating healthy food.
And on his farm he had a
ducks. With quack quack here
and a quack quack.
देखें आप कल तो मेरी क्लास है नहीं
quack 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 quack. Oh, McDonald
देखें फिर
had a barn.
E-A.
Oh.
You want some napkin? Fatik? clean up your mouth. Perfect. Dab, dab.
I clean up down.
Try 3 steps. Okay, okay, yes, you can do. 1. Uh-oh. Let's go home, pack up.
Mommy.
Yes.
We found something. We found something on the toys.
Yes. Let's pack it up. Yeah, let's go. Hey, here is your Pikachu. Fatik, your Pikachu. Be careful.
Subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.